Good morning, beautiful people. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I want to share another set of exercises that are the continuation of the previous exercises I showed in video one. Video one, I was wearing a beard and I was at the beach in Hawaii, and I was doing the morning exercises where you move every part of the body. And as soon as possible, when you wake up, just to get energy flowing after a long night of sleep. Once you do that, once you do 4 or 5 minutes of moving every part of the body just to get your body awakened again, then you can stand, you can do a Wuji stand and some Qi Gong exercises. Without too much talking, I want to teach you something very basic. This is the most basic thing in Qigong and martial arts. It's called Wuji stand. Wuji. W U J I in English. But Wuji stand is basically a stand where your feet are parallel, about shoulder or high, a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. And you bend your knees, but do not cross your toes, the tip of your toes. So this is not like a toe or knees over toe exercise. This is knees aligned with the toe a little bit on this side. And then you squeeze your glutes. You squeeze your glutes, you settle in that position. The whole time your glutes should be squeezed. So your whole pelvis area, it's gonna go from normal position to squeeze position. And from there, we're just gonna breathe in, hands up, breathe out, hands down. Breathe in, hands up, breathe out, hands down. So breathe in, hands up, breathe out, hands down. So do that about 10, 15 times. So one more time, Wuji stand is a must. Parallel feet, glutes squeezed and going up in breathing in, and going down, breathing out. Do that a few times. Breathe in, breathe out. From there, let's do one more time. Breathe in and breathe out. From there, you can flip your hands upward like this and inhale going up. All the way up, inhale, and then exhale out like this. You can use your mouth to exhale for a longer time. I'm still exhaling as I'm talking. Then inhale all the way up and exhale. Now inhale and think of taking everything you don't need, everything that you carry that you don't need out with you. Breathe in and out through your mouth. Breathe out. Let's do this 2 more times. So breathe in, take everything with you that you don't need, and then breathe out. One more. Breathe in and breathe out. From there, let's do 5 of these. You just flip your hands the other way, and now you breathe in going up. Breathe in and breathe out. Remind yourself to squeeze your glutes and to stay in a Wuji stance. So here, so we're gonna breathe in and breathe out. Two more, breathe in and breathe out. And think of putting a good energy into you as you breathe out. Now gather that energy with your hands all the way and breathe out as you put it in your body, in your system. From there, I want to show you two more things, and then we're going to finish. If your sun, like ideally you want to do this in the morning and you turn towards the sun. The sun is a little bit more up because it's almost 10 a.m. I didn't get to this mountain sooner. However, when the sun is lower, you're going to face towards the sun and do this exercise. The same thing right now. You can do the same thing by putting one leg forwards, the other one you rest on back. So this one's a little loose. All your weight is on this leg. All your weight is on this leg. You start from around stomach area. My professor at CIIS taught me this. Benjamin Tong. You can look him up. He's a good Tai Chi and Qi Gong practitioner. So we go from here and towards the sun, and we gather the energy and go back towards the belly. So one more time, starting from this leg. Again, you don't want to cross your toes when you do this. Starting from this back leg, my hands are here. I'm gathering the energy from the sun and going towards my front. Oh, turning my hands as I'm going towards the back, I breathe out and pull the energy back towards the belly. One more. Hands out, breathe in. Turn your hands, go back, breathe out. Relax your hands as much as possible and just use your palms to guide everything and your elbows and your shoulders, but without using much of your muscle. Do it two more times. Gather the energy from the sun towards the belly. And one more. Gathering the energy from the sun towards the belly. So if I crossed my toes, that's because I'm not a master. I'm practicing myself and trying to do the exercises as good as possible. And I do feel after doing the exercises the change in my system, which is what we're here for. We want to gather as much energy as possible. So you don't have to be a practitioner of Qi Gong, Kung Fu. You can just do this basic exercise. So I'm gonna do the other side right now. So one leg forward, the other one is back. Starting from the back leg, belly towards the sun. Breathe in and turn your hands and go back. Breathe out. Breathe in, turn your hands and breathe out. Breathe in, nose and breathe out. Face the sun, face the sun. Get the energy from the sun, you gather it, turn it, send it towards your belly. Your belly here is a power center. One more. And towards your belly. Belly here is the power center. We have three major power centers. This one's really important. There's a heart center, and yes, there is a center in the middle of our brain. And those are not chakras. Those are three different kinds of centers. They're also part of the human energy structure. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this is helpful. You can do this at home. You can do it next to your bed. I would do it if there's sun outside of home, if that's a possibility for you. If that's not, you can open the window a little bit to get breeze. But whatever it is, you can do it at home, and you can do the same exercises. Even at home, you might want to face the sun when you do the sun exercise. Even though see the sun, you might want to go towards the sun and do the exercises. These are very, very helpful in the morning, especially after those joint exercises from the video one. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Slobodan Nešović. I'm a clinical psychologist, and I'm a founder of Psycho-Enalysis. See you in the next video.